Right, Paul Helpful Locksmith over at the MLA. I am with Charlotte from Ultion.
Hiya.
And Charlotte's going to show you Ultion Nuki.
Yeah. So here we have Ultion Nuki. Ultion Nuki is our smart lock. So as you can see on the outside, it looks very normal, like your normal door. 3-star security externally too. You can see that we have Nuki thumb turn fitted here. So this is a smart lock. So I can control this using Bluetooth, my phone. This operates as a button. And for the worry of not having a mechanical override or being able to use a key, you also operate it as a thumb turn. Okay? But I'm going to now show you how we operate it on the phone. So here we have the Nuki home screen. So as you can see, at the moment, this lock relates to this option here. So it tells you the status of the door in real time. So it's currently telling me that my door is locked, which as you can see, it is correct. Now, in order to operate the door, I'm going to highlight the unit and I'm going to give it its action. So do I want it just to unlock, lock, or you have additional features of opening the door and lock and go. By opening the door, as you can see, I'm going to now press this and you can see how it operates the lock, enabling it a lot easier for you to gain access to your home. So we press this, enabling me just to push the door open.
It's fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really good, really fast, very reactive. Now, in order for me to show you how it works so you can see it actually operating the lock, I will now press that again and you can see it's holding the latches back there.
Yeah.
For enough time for you to be able to open the door and walk through.
Completely, yeah. So you've got your hands full of shopping,
yeah,
you just nudge the door open.
Absolutely, yeah. I've got baby in arms, bag full of shopping, can't find your keys.
We've all been
this
there.
Is what you want. Here we have one of our keypads. So this is, you can either use a code or you have a fingerprint. You can control the time that people come and use the code and whether they're active, and you have total control of who can gain access to your house and who can come in. If you maybe struggle to operate door handles, can't get to the door sometimes, then you use Nuki and you can operate it from wherever you are in the home and in the world.
And it's great because if you've got like a dog walker or a cleaner, it means that you're only giving them the access when they're supposed to be there. It's not like a key where once they've got it, they could lose it, copy it, go AWOL, or at the very minimum, you're giving them 24/7 access whilst they've got a key. This is just, you work 10 while 11, here's your access 10 while 11. Fantastic.
You've also not got people out there being able, with your keys, them losing them, like you've just said. It enables you to have a lot more freedom. Also, things like getting deliveries. You might not be home. Well, actually, I've got a Ring doorbell, so I can see that it's the delivery man. You can open the door for him, drop your parcel off. A lot of people feel comfortable with doing that.
Yeah. How many users can have a key code?
Okay, so you have up to 200 unique codes. 200. Wow. And 20 different fingerprints.
Like, who needs 200? So that's like a separate code for you, creating a dog walker, or for each of your kids.
Yeah.
So if any of them become an issue, you can alter somebody, revoke an access,
absolutely,
and it doesn't affect anybody else. It's only the one that you.
And you can control it all from your phone.
Yeah.
So you don't even need to be near the lock to be able to control it.
You'd be on the beach.
You could be on the beach in Spain with a cocktail, controlling who can come in and come out the house.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much.
No problem.
So that's Ultion Nuki Pro. There's also Ultion Nuki Go, both available now from the website. Click on the link and you'll see those right there, along with everything else that is sold via Ultion. And you might have noticed behind me, we've got the suite furniture, which is also available online, window furniture, door furniture. It's 3-star locks, TSW7 3-star, Soul Secure Diamond Grade. That's WXM and Ultion Alps, also available online, as well as 2-star handles, 2-star plus,